Thanks for coming back to watch another video, which we provide information on all things health and wellness. In this video we discuss the best natural remedies for common ailments. Many people are turning to natural remedies as an alternative to traditional medications, and there are a number of natural remedies that have been shown to be effective for common ailments. Here are some of the best natural remedies for common ailments. Honey for coughs and sore throats. Honey has been used as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats for centuries. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, and can help to soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Ginger for nausea. Ginger has been shown to be effective for reducing nausea, especially in pregnancy and during chemotherapy. It can be consumed in the form of ginger tea, ginger ale, or ginger capsules. Peppermint for digestive issue. Peppermint has been shown to be effective for relieving digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can be consumed in the form of peppermint tea or capsules, or by using peppermint essential oil. Turmeric for inflammation. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to be effective for reducing inflammation in the body. It can be consumed in the form of turmeric tea, supplements, or added to food as a spice. Echinacea for the common cold. Echinacea is a herb that has been traditionally used to boost the immune system and reduce the severity and duration of colds. It can be consumed in the form of echinacea tea or supplements. It's important to note that while natural remedies can be effective, they are not a substitute for medical treatment in serious or life-threatening situations. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using any natural remedy, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications. So next time you're feeling under the weather, consider trying one of these natural remedies for some natural relief. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.